Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a high-resolution photo so pieces stay sharp when cropped. Once inserted, make the slide the same aspect ratio as the image and center it. This avoids skew when you crop. Next, duplicate that slide so you have a backup. Now add a temporary grid. Use guides or draw rectangles to mark rows and columns. This gives you exact crop boundaries. These first steps reduce alignment problems later and let you focus on cutting consistent pieces quickly. Now you create the individual pieces by duplicating the image once per tile. For a 3x4 puzzle, make 12 copies. Select each copy, use crop to trim it to the exact grid cell you created, and zoom in to ensure crisp edges. If you want real jigsaw contours, overlay a transparent PNG of a piece shape on each crop tile and align center. This keeps the artwork consistent. Once cropped and shaped, export each tile as PNG so transparency and detail are preserved for. To finish, open a fresh slide and import each exported PNG tile, placing them according to your original grid. Guides and snap-to-grid make this precise. Once in place, add subtle shadows or thin borders to help pieces read visually, then group related tiles so they stay together. For interactivity, add drag animations or use presenter mode. If pieces look misaligned or soft, make sure guides are on and re-export tiles from the higher resolution source. That fixes most quality and alignment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.